Are you looking for the best irons? In this video we will look at some of the best irons on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Irons are suitable for all fabrics. The Steamcraft iron is designed for the suist or the avid ironer. With an ergonomic design and focus on fabric care, the Steamcraft iron produces a first-rate pressing and fabric steaming experience. On-point tip technology, patent-pending easily iron around buttons, seams, and pleats for a crisp finish. Experience how Singer's on-point tip technology helps to iron hard-to-reach areas on garments. Strong burst of steam. Enjoy expert results with 1700 watts of steam. Watch wrinkles fade away as you relax your fabrics with steam and then easily press creases. Number 2. Steamer's Steam Iron for Clothes. Screen. The LCD display on our professional grade Steam Iron 1800 watts puts you in control. Select from 11 preset heating modes for fabric, including synthetics, silk, wool, cotton, and linen. Our iron for clothes automatically shuts off and alerts you when the iron is left unmoved, horizontally, 30 seconds, vertically, 8 minutes, tipped sideways, 30 seconds. True position axial holes on this clothes iron direct the maximum amount of steam. Use it as a handheld steamer or with your ironing board to iron clothes. Number 3. Steam irons and vertical steamers. Typical non-stick can get scratched or wear off quickly. The Durathan non-stick Soleplate iron was made to last with a durable non-stick that resists wear and tear. Wrinkles don't stand a chance. This steam iron for clothes takes them out faster than you can say smooth and wrinkle-free. Don't let a messy cord get tangled around your iron. Simply retract the cord, and it stays neatly out of your way when you don't need it. The clothes iron is simple to operate with the press of a finger. Simply press the temperature settings button to quickly select your fabric and to turn the iron on or off. Number 4. Stainless steel Soleplate Steam Iron. Ironing with the Rao ProMaster XL Steam Iron will make you feel like a pro and your clothes feel like they are fresh from the dry cleaner. Rated at 1775 watts of power and fitted with a new 430 steam hole micro steam HD Soleplate. The ProMaster XL iron provides the best steam distribution on the market for ultra-fast ironing sessions. At the same time, its powerful steam output and a steam shot of 210 grams per minute ensure effective ironing on even the toughest creases. A high-precision spray helps to accurately remove difficult creases without wetting the rest of the garment. Number 5. Steam Iron for Clothes. Ironing with the Rao ProMaster XL Steam Iron will make you feel like a pro and your clothes feel like they are fresh from the dry cleaner. Rated at 1775 watts of power and fitted with a new 430 steam hole micro steam HD Soleplate, the ProMaster XL iron provides the best steam distribution on the market for ultra-fast ironing sessions. At the same time, its powerful steam output and a steam shot of 210 grams per minute ensure effective ironing on even the toughest creases. A high-precision spray helps to accurately remove difficult creases without wetting the rest of the garment.